Our hack is to automate the manual process of managing option compatibility of standard configurations. A dedicated team within DCE Premier Quality Operations performs this process manually. This team ensures that standard configurations always have valid default options, so that they do not break when a customer configures them. This is the current business process performed by the DCE Quality Audit team. Step 1. Identify list of standard configs that are updated/added. Step 2. Obtain auto login access to the RC store that is associated to standard config. Step 3. Browse the auto login URL and select the standard config that is updated/added in Step 1. Step 4. Click on Customize link to load the config page. Step 5. Look for any option compatibility failure messages in the page, and if there is a problem, note down the standard config. Step 6. Update the details in the SharePoint. Step 7. Pam will look at the affected standard configs list in SharePoint and go to OST and mark them as draft. The current OCM process aims to optimize operational efficiency by standardization and automation. But it is restricted by the tools and the systems available. In its current state, it is impossible to scale and therefore handles only default option compatibility checks. Error-prone, given the complex human workflow. Time-consuming, requiring more time to validate and to fix each broken option. Manual in operation and therefore expensive to maintain. Such a system and process is a prime candidate for robotic automation and machine learning-based optimization. We hope to take the outside-in approach to leverage the internals of Premier tools and our know-how to automate this process and avoid any manual touch by the DCE Quality Audit team. While improving the OCM business process, we also reduce unwarranted load to the Premier portal and eliminate quality process-induced 5xx server internal exception errors in Premier portal. Before seeing demo, let us explore the process automation that we propose. For this demo, we have created an user interface that makes it easy to understand the concept. However, we expect to deploy this as a background process on PCF that is event-driven and fully automated with no user interface. The new implementation is like so. Step 1. Identify the impacted standard configurations. This will be based on events triggered in PCS/DMA via Premier Tools API. Step 2. For each of these standard configurations, extract the config item data from DCP config services. Validate the configuration with its default option selections by invoking DCP validation services. Evaluate the outcome, and if errors are found, move the standard configuration to draft state. Publish the change to portal with update now in PCS, so that it is hidden from the customer. Fix the broken configuration, if a fix is known, and revalidate and mark it as live as required. Notify the PAM, if a fix is unknown to our automation script. Identify and record the fix made by the PAM. Step 3. Capture the audit trail for future analysis and training. Thank you.